Rumors suggest the Google Pixel 9a launch is right around the corner, with leaks hinting at a March 26th ship date. Although we have nothing official from Google, we've seen plenty of leaks about the company's new mid-range smartphone. The Pixel 8a was quietly one of the best smartphones of 2024, proving to be excellent value with solid performance. Google went down the line and corrected many user complaints about the A series previously, including fitting the Pixel 8a with a brighter display. Let's round up the top 5 rumors about the Google Pixel 9a to date and see if it'll be another winner for Google in 2025. 4th generation Tensor chipset, an upgrade we can all see coming. It's not often you can write rumors in pen, but I'd be shocked if a Tensor G4 chipset didn't power the Pixel 9a. Google introduced it last year with the Pixel 9 series, and we've been pleased with the performance of our Pixel 9 Pro XL. Google ironed out many of the issues we've had with previous Tensor chipsets, as we've gotten much better thermal performance from the G4. The days of Pixels doubling as space heaters are over. However, I'm disappointed by rumors that Google is cutting costs using an older modem in the Pixel 9a. Connection issues plagued older devices, and if it's possible, Google should consider using the newer Exynos 5400 modems shipping in more expensive Pixel 9 phones, as they've performed beautifully. Indeed, the Tensor G4 doesn't have the benchmarks and gaming performance of other flagship chipsets, but those concerns would melt away in the mid-range Pixel 9a. I think it's an excellent chipset, and I look forward to it powering the Pixel 9a sometime this year. Its cameras might look a little different. A slight change could help. Google has a history of putting older camera sensors in its A-series phones. The Pixel 8a had the same 64-megapixel primary lens as its predecessor. Thankfully, we've heard rumors that Google is swapping out the 64-megapixel lens for a newer 48-megapixel sensor currently used on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's a wider sensor, meaning the Pixel 9a will be able to pull in more light, more data for the computational model to chew on, hopefully resulting in better images. I'd also expect night sight's performance to improve over previous A-series phones. As expected, the Pixel 9a should feature a dual camera setup with the primary lens and ultra-wide sensor. Even though the number of cameras hasn't changed, the physical configuration is rumored to be overhauled. Leaked photos show that there will be no raised camera hump on the Pixel 9a. The camera glass will sit flush against the back of the phone. Battery life boost. I hope for faster charging too. My Pixel 8a had decent battery life. Its Tensor G3 chipset, paired with a 4492 mAh cell, more than did the job. However, I'll never refuse an upgrade, and it appears Google is fitting the Pixel 9a with 5100 mAh battery. If we see the same improvement in power efficiency thanks to the Tensor G4 that we saw with the other Pixel 9 models, I expect fantastic battery life from the Pixel 9a. I've only had consistently excellent battery life on my Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I'm excited to see what the Pixel 9a can do. We haven't heard any rumors about faster charging speeds, but as a humble tech journalist, we would like to plead with Google to give us faster speeds than we had on the Pixel 8a. 18 watt or less isn't cutting it in 2025, even at a mid-range price point. Display. Good news for some, disappointing for others. Smaller, high-quality smartphones are rare, which is part of why the Pixel 8a was a breath of fresh air for many. Its 6.1-inch display allowed for a smaller, almost pebble-like design that felt amazing in the hand. I spent all year holding monster 6.9-inch smartphones, and the Pixel 8a was a refreshing change of pace. Leaks suggest Google will use a slightly larger 6.3-inch display on the Pixel 9a. It's not a drastic departure, but it will be noticeable for fans who pick the Pixel 8a because of its compact design. You'll either love or hate this change. It'll be welcome if you like mid-range pixels and need extra screen real estate. A 6.3-inch display would bring the Pixel 9a in line with the regular Pixel 9 and the standard Samsung Galaxy S25. I hope Google doesn't go any larger with the display, as I think the A series would lose some of its charm. The price. No change is a good thing. Google increased the price of the Pixel 7a to $500, and rumors suggested the company would raise the cost of the Pixel 8a even more. Thankfully, the company kept the 8a at $500, avoiding potential backlash. We hear that Google will keep the price of the Pixel 9a at $500 again this year, which is a significant number. Once you get above 500, expectations skyrocket, and Google opens itself up to vigorous competition from phones like the OnePlus 13R, a device that'll be objectively more powerful. Google has done an admirable job of being self-aware in the last year. I think the company understands where the Pixel 9a has to be positioned, and it's not about to price itself out of the market. The Google Pixel 8a was an excellent smartphone, lost in Google's confusing marketing surrounding the launch. The company's got its act together with a more coherent plan for the Pixel 9 series. I doubt that Google will make the same mistake twice, and there's enough separation in price between the Pixel 9 and the expected Pixel 9a to not have the same awkwardness as last year. Add in improvements to features like Gemini Live, and the Pixel 9a is shaping up to be an attractive package. If you're a card-carrying member of Team Pixel, March might be an exciting month for you.